Something lovely can be a deal, but if it doesn't fit in your space, it doesn't make your space feel like you want your space to feel, then it's not a good deal for you. Maybe it's a good deal for somebody else, but it's not a good deal for you. Now, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Valrine. What I want us to look at in this video are things that we can thrift when we go to the thrift stores that will help us to have a comfy, cozy home. I am sitting on one of them on my bed. Bedspreads are one of the things that I like to thrift for, and I think that it will pay off if you thrift for them too. So this is actually a chenille bedspread. Now, while we're at it and we're looking at bedspreads, what do we keep on our beds? Our pillows, right? No, vintage pillow covers are just, there's something about them that feels huggable. Check this one out. It has a ruffled trim around the perimeter, and yeah, this is actually a chenille finish on the surface of the pillow. This is a lovely vintage pillow cover. These will help to give your bedroom, your bed, that kind of cozy feel. Recently, actually, I was thrifting and I found another set. This is so, not only does it give your bed a comfy feel, it does give your bed an elegant feel too. Anything that's chenille, anything that's embossed with pattern like this, it does tend to give your bed a more comfy, cozy feel, opposed to a regular pillow cover like this, right? It's just flat. And they have their place too, right? Because they can be mixed in with the more decorative pillow covers to give you that combined, coordinated look. Another thing that I like to thrift for, not only in thrift stores, but at garage sales during the summer. And so, yeah, one of the things that I thrift is floor rugs. Right now, floor rugs don't have to be floor rugs or floor mats only. They can be transformed into something else. This one I transformed into a hamper. So you can now put this in your closet, your laundry room, wherever you need space or storage, right? And so you can store whatever you want to store in this in the way of fabrics. You could even put this in a child's bedroom or a toy room, right? Because you can store toys in it, and then it would be easy for you to wash. Now I use this to make more like a hamper. The other rug I sourced, I used to make a little tote bag, right? So you can take this on the road with you to do shopping, or you can use this also as a hamper in your bathroom, in your closet, in your laundry room. Other things I like to source are placemats. Now, you have seen me use placemats to make a poof, right? That's just one thing that you can use placemats to make. You can also use placemats to be placemats on your table for your tablescape, right? You can transform them into pillow covers. I did these pillow covers on my channel, right? So you can check them out. Like placemats are more than placemats when you think beyond them being more than placemats. Here's another lovely pillow cover made from thrifted vintage placemats. Let's get back to bedspread a little bit because this is bordering between a throw and a bedspread, but I am gonna say it's a throw spread. It is a lovely knitted spread, my friends. Check this out. Yeah. And so one of the reasons I bought this is I bought it because I was thinking of being on the couch, right? Whenever I'm on the couch, I like to have something to cuddle up in, especially during the winter time, which is right now. Comfy, cozy, warm blankets, right? So what I could do if I don't need to use this on my bed is literally take this baby, cut it into two to make two throws, my throws that I could use on the bed also as a bed runner, or I could use it on my couch to decorate my couch, and then when it's time for me to cuddle up, I could cuddle up in it, right? I talk about having throws on my couches. Thrift for throws, my friends. And I said before, natural fibers, which is more likely you would find like cotton, right? This is another throw that I have that is well used. I cuddle up in this baby so much on my couch. It's a woven throw and it comes with heart shapes on it. It is, yeah, just lovely to cuddle up on. Here's another one because my hubby and I couldn't fit under this. And so I sourced another one that he could get to use. Another thing that I thrift for are tablecloths and actually those little tea towels, because vintage, you can find lovely ones. This I bought literally 3 days ago. It was Friday that I bought this and I paid $2, guys. $2 for this baby. This is actually a tablecloth, right? But when I saw it, I did not see tablecloth. What I saw is me being able to cut pieces to stitch them and use them as tea towels, right? So for this tablecloth for only $2, I could get, let's see how many, reasonable size tea towels. Yeah, I could get 1, 2, 3, 4 twos, 8. 8 tea towels from this for only $2, because all I'll do when I cut them is flat stitch the ends, just like this one is flat stitch. So look out for those tablecloths that can become tea towels, because tea towels, even in the dollar store, you may have to pay $2 for a small one, right? So if you can get 8 tea towels for only $2, that's a good deal. And yeah, these type of older things are the things that actually put the heart in our home, make your home feel more lived in, more cozy. And so if you want a comfy, cozy, warm home, try doing a little thrifting. You can get good stuff. Another thing I like to thrift for are my head scarves, my head ties, right? Now, not only can you use them for head ties, you can use them to decorate your home, right? And so I bought this one here, and some of them are very big. They're what I would call oversized. Now check this out. This could be the runner on a bed. However, my point is, if you want something that gonna give your home a more comfy look, I would tend to stick to things that has nature patterns on them, because anything with nature tends to feel more comfy, more cozy. This one is more comfy cozy, will make your home feel more cozy than something like this, not only with the colors but with the abstract patterns, right? This one does have some abstract pattern on it, but it's more natural. It has the greens, and the greens, it's a tie and dye and it also have fish printed on it, but the tie and dye is done in such a way that the greens actually look like greenery. Looks like a forest of pines or cedar or something, right? So it gives a more comfy, cozy feel than, as I said, something that has an abstract pattern. The last, well, there's so many things that you can thrift that can make your home comfy cozy, because one of the other things that you can thrift are baskets. And you all know that storage is key for your home to feel comfy. Organization is key. And so those vintage baskets can help you to organize your space, right? Another thing you can thrift for are vintage fabrics. You would have seen me made like a Roman blind, and also did a basket liner from vintage fabric that I actually sourced from a garage sale. So just think about the things that you source. If you're looking for a comfy, cozy space, when you go to thrift, think about these things, right? Think about considering some of the things that we have spoken about. And as I said, it goes back to actually what the look you're trying to achieve in your home, because as I said before, that something lovely can be a deal, but if it doesn't fit in your space, it doesn't make your space feel like you want your space to feel, then it's not a good deal for you. Maybe it's a good deal for somebody else, but it's not a good deal for you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and attach a little footage of the Roman blind that I made for the bathroom with the storage, the insert for the vintage basket that I have in the laundry room. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I enjoyed sharing it with you. So go ahead and hit subscribe. Give me some thumbs up. Share this video and comment if you did enjoy it or if it was beneficial to you. Thank you so much again for being here. I will see you again soon. You take care now. Love you guys.